Drone flights are often deployed to drive productivity and efficiency in many industries. In many cases, drones also prevent humans from being placed in a dangerous situation. The construction industry, for example, uses drone flights for live video data streaming and remote site inspections. However, drone flights currently supported by 4G and Wi-Fi bring about some operational challenges. As part of the 5G at Sentosa program, drones powered by Singtel 5G and Multi-Access Edge Compute or MEC are currently on trial by the Building and Construction Authority at a 5G-enabled smart construction site on the island.
This system helps Gaemon's resident engineers and resident technical officers or RTOs find and manage defects during the construction process using high-zoom cameras for drones hovering at a safe distance. On Singtel's 5G network, the Sarana UAV is capable of streaming 4 or more full HD videos simultaneously.
One of the keys is having uninterrupted video stream from the drone that can be fed back to the workstation of the RTO or the engineer so that he can see a seamless feed of what the drone is looking at as it moves around the installed works or the building it's inspecting.
With 5G's low latency and stable setup, drones are flown beyond visual range, covering greater distances. 5G-connected drones powered by MEC will enable new use cases and mission-critical applications such as security surveillance, infrastructure inspection, disaster prevention, environmental change monitoring, last-mile delivery, and more. Come explore how 5G and MEC can help transform your industry.